Is your pantry a chaotic mess and your wallet looking thin? Maybe food is stacked wherever it fits, spices disappear behind cans, and every grocery trip feels more stressful than it should. What if I told you that you could transform that chaos into an organized, beautiful pantry for under $20? Today we're taking discarded pallet wood and turning it into smart, custom storage solutions that look amazing and cost next to nothing. Welcome to Craft Catalog. In this video we're breaking down pallet wood pantry hacks that actually work. These are real solutions for real kitchens, built with simple tools, reclaimed materials, and practical design. No expensive systems. No custom cabinets. Just smart woodworking that saves money and space. The problem with most pantries isn't size. It's wasted space. Shelves are too tall, too deep, or poorly organized. Items get lost, duplicated, or forgotten. This leads to clutter, wasted food, and frustration. The solution isn't buying more containers. It's designing storage that fits your pantry and your habits. Pallet wood is perfect for this. It's strong, easy to work with, and often free. When cleaned, sanded, and finished properly, pallet wood looks rustic, warm, and intentional. It turns basic storage into decor while keeping costs incredibly low. Before building anything, start with a simple assessment. Look at what you actually store. Spices, jars, canned goods, dry foods, snacks, and small appliances all need different solutions. The goal is not to build everything, but to build what solves your biggest problems first. Let's start with one of the most effective upgrades, a pallet wood spice rack. Spices are small, used daily, and easily lost. A slim wall-mounted rack made from pallet slats keeps every label visible and within reach. This rack uses minimal wood, installs quickly, and instantly frees up shelf space. Next is vertical can storage. Using pallet boards, you can create stepped shelves that allow cans to sit at different heights. This simple angle makes everything visible and prevents items from getting pushed to the back and forgotten. Pull-out bins are another game changer. Using shallow pallet wood boxes mounted on basic drawer slides, you can create rolling storage for potatoes, onions, snacks, or baking supplies. These bins maximize deep shelves and make heavy items easy to access. Now let's talk about door-mounted storage. The back of your pantry door is valuable real estate that's often wasted. Thin pallet wood racks can hold spices, wraps, or small jars. This adds storage without reducing shelf space. Shelf dividers made from pallet wood are another low-cost solution. They prevent stacks from tipping and keep items separated. These are especially useful for cutting boards, trays, and baking sheets. One of the most overlooked pantry problems is inconsistent container sizing. Pallet wood crate-style organizers solve this by grouping similar items together. These crates slide in and out, making restocking and cleaning easy. Labeling is critical. Even the best storage fails without clarity. Simple wood tags or chalkboard labels attached to pallet wood bins instantly improve organization and usability. Now let's talk budget. Almost all of these builds can be done under $20 because pallet wood is free or cheap, and hardware is minimal. Screws, nails, and basic slides are the only real expenses. Many projects cost just a few dollars each. Preparation is key. Always inspect pallet wood carefully. Remove nails, sand rough surfaces, and choose boards without stains or odors. A light sanding and natural finish instantly elevate the look. Finishing matters. Use food-safe oils or water-based sealers. Avoid heavy stains that hide the wood grain. The goal is clean, warm, and functional, not rough or unfinished. Once installed, the transformation is dramatic. Your pantry becomes easier to use, easier to clean, and easier to maintain. You see what you have. You waste less. You shop smarter. Another benefit is flexibility. Pallet wood storage can be adjusted, rebuilt, or expanded over time. As your needs change, your pantry can evolve without replacing everything. These projects also build confidence. You don't need advanced skills to create meaningful improvements. Each small win encourages the next project. If you're enjoying this and want more practical builds like this, subscribe to Craft Catalog. We focus on affordable, realistic DIY projects that make everyday spaces work better. Now imagine applying this mindset beyond the pantry. Closets, laundry rooms, garages, and workshops all benefit from the same approach. Smart design beats expensive solutions every time. Pallet wood pantry hacks aren't about being cheap. They're about being intentional. You design exactly what you need, where you need it, for a fraction of the cost. By reusing materials, you save money and reduce waste. By organizing better, you save time and reduce stress. That's real value. Before you start, plan one project. Build it well. Use it. Then add the next. Small steps lead to big transformations. In the end, an organized pantry is not about perfection. It's about function. When everything has a place, daily life gets easier. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog. Like the video if it helped you, leave a comment with your favorite pantry hack, and subscribe for more budget-friendly DIY wood projects. Remember, your dream pantry doesn't require a big budget. Sometimes all it takes is pallet wood, smart design, and a little creativity.